Hi, I hope you're doing well. You haven't seen a video from me for a while because I just received a full-time job until summer, and then I'm going to be the education director at Promise Christian University in California. I'm so excited for both jobs, but what it's done is limited me from my YouTubes. However, God has given me more ideas for promoting the product. So you know that I developed a reading curriculum. It's called Step by Step Reading, and it's in level 1 and level 2. It's available on Teachers Pay Teachers, which I've learned that schools are authorized to purchase materials on their own from Teachers Pay Teachers. Now, if you would like to be an affiliate, I've created a store with the same product, except on Teachers Pay Teacher, you download the product yourself, the books, the workbooks, but you can buy them individually. On my store, it's called dys-sol-store.com. Go there and you could see all my workbooks for 4th grade, 5th grade, 2nd through 4th grade. You can buy them individually. You can buy 5 at a time. Now, I print them on demand, but I wanted you to have these available because teachers are purchasing these on Teachers Pay Teachers, and you can buy the full kit now, or you can buy individual. Now, there's also an affiliate link there. You can sign up to be an affiliate, and I call it my 2020 affiliate program. What that means is for $25, you become an affiliate, and then you can refer anybody, and they're going to get a 20% discount on any item, and you'll receive 20% commission. Now, doesn't that sound great? It's just a win-win. I want to reach 300,000 students, and I want to help 20,000 teachers or parents. I just want 20,000 adults helping kids. So I already created the subscription where you can get support monthly for $39.95. You can find it on my website, dyslexia-solutions.com. This is going to give you options of what reading program to buy, and also let you sign up month to month for only $39.95 to get the training videos. Now, the training can cost $30,000 to $40,000 a year at a university. Check out my training. See how I can train you in 3.5 to 6 hours to start working with dyslexic children tomorrow. You can download the digital files, or you could reach out to me with one of the links and purchase the curriculum, which I can get printed in a couple days and ship it out to you in the USA only, please. So I'm very excited, but please be an affiliate. I want to get to know you. I want us to be a reading specialist family where I can help answer your Orton Gillingham questions. I can answer your science of reading questions, and we can help 300,000 kids read. So again, that is it's the Dyslexia Solutions Store, but it's abbreviated dys-sol-store.com. Dr. Marianne Cintron, please be one of my affiliates. I look forward to working with you and developing relationships. Thanks so much now. God bless you, and bye-bye.